In this video, we will show you how to close a UK LTD company. If you guys want to get started with a UK LTD company, you can use the links down in the description. First, confirm that your company qualifies for dissolution. It should not have traded or sold stock in the last 3 months, changed name recently, or been threatened with liquidation. The company's director should hold a general meeting to agree on the dissolution. Now submit an application to Companies House to strike off the company from the register. This usually costs €33. Then inform HMRC, creditors, suppliers, and business partners about the company's closure. After that, close any remaining business bank account associated with the company. Next, update the company's website and other platforms to reflect its closure. So that's how Close UK LTD Company. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with the UK LTD Company. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.